Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Superpower 300 here, and welcome back to another video on the Super Squad channel, where today we are back playing stock car racing. And as you can see, we have $9,000 dollars in the game, and I'm going to be trying to unlock this car. Oops, let me put the volume down a bit. So we're gonna be trying to unlock this car, and then this is all the other cars I have. So, yeah, let's get straight into it. Alright, so we're gonna go in the Rookie Cup and see if we can win 1,000. And let's do this. Alright. Boogity, 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 let's go racing. Alright. And whoa, I don't know what happened there. Let's just get down here where it's safe. And oh, I have come up with names for all of the drivers. So who's in front of us? Dang it, this was the one that I don't really have a name for. But for right now, I'm thinking of making this Kurt Busch the 90. So Kurt Busch is in the 90. Whoops, I'm going off track. So DJ Kennington is in the 96, Kyle Busch in the 10, Denny Hamlin in the 21, Jimmy Johnson in the 45, Danica Patrick in the 4, who else, trying to think, I think the 52 is Truex. I'm pretty sure the 52 is Truex. If not, then it's, what do you call it? Oh, actually, no. The 52 is Truex, and then the 62 is Logano, then the 40-something. It's another yellow car with red numbers, and that one's going to be Blaney. The 13 is Ty Dillon. And if there's any other... I can't remember any other cars, so when I do remember another car, I'll tell you guys who they are, but that's what it is so far, just so I have like a name for the car, you know. Alright, so 1 lap to go, presented by the Credit One Bank. Oh, lap car blocked him. Who's this, Ryan Newman? Oh wait, is this no, that's the 90, never mind. Alright, it looks like we're gonna win this, and oh, no, are you serious? No. Oh my gosh, I hate the AI in this game. No. Oh, that's annoying. Alright then, I see how it's gonna be. Alright, so prepare the car a bit, and we just messed up. Alright, so you know what? We're gonna do a quick multiplayer race. Alright. Come on, let's see if we can win against real life people. Come on. And I don't know why it does that on the beginning of these multiplayer races, but it does. And oh, someone crashed out already. Alright, let's see if we have what it takes to beat these people. Alright, so he's hitting the wall already. I have a feeling that purple car, and oh my gosh, the car doesn't want to turn. I have a feeling the purple car is gonna be the main person we're battling against. Actually, never mind, it's gonna be that 700 car. So it looks like we can pass him right here. Yep. Alright, so 700 car. That's the one we're trying to unlock, actually, so. Alright. Whoa. We almost spun out, but we hit the wall, too. Jeez. Oh, he's lagging. He's going a bit slow. We're gaining on him. Alright, come on, come on, come on. Got a good run coming out of the corner. Almost side by side. Oh, we slowed down a bit too much. We're right there. Right, come on. Keep it on the bottom. We're right there. Come on. Come on. Come on. Side by side. He's gonna get it. But we're gonna get some good money out of it, I believe. Please. 187. That was not worth it at all. But you know what? Now all we need is 1,000. So, if there's a positive, it's that. Oh, the 20 car is Ryan Newman. The 49 is Joey Logano. The 6 is Bubba Wallace, and I don't know who's in the lead. Oh, come on. Oh, the 3 is Austin Dillon, obviously. Alright. So we're in P2. Let's try and get to the lead. You might have to pull a Justin Haley, if you know what I mean. All the way to the bottom. Oh, that's not allowed? I have to go down pit road? Okay. Whoa. Oh, car in the wall, and he got underneath us. Alright, just go on the high side. Oh, but we got a nice run out of the corner. Can he get us? We're gonna run the high side the rest of the race. Oh, hit the wall a bit. Oh, he's there. He could do a slide job. Oh, he's there. He's there. And car in the wall on the high side. I had to back out. He pulled a slide job. Gonna have to pull one back. Slide job. Slide job. Come on. Yes! We pulled the slide job to victory. Let's go. $1,000. And ooh, we unlocked M&M's as a sponsor. Ooh, I don't want none of that Kyle Busch M&M stuff. I'm not about that. Alright, let's get that car. Alright. Yes. There we go. That's a nice car. Alright, so let's customize it. What do we want it to look like? Or who do we want it to look like? Oh, and the 47 is Kyle Larson. So, we have that. Oh, that's YouTube notifications. What do I want to get? Oh. Too many YouTube notifications. It looks decent, but no. Alright, so we have nothing over there, so we're gonna have to use something generic. Might have to put that on mute. Is Keselowski in this game? Yeah, he's the 11 in this game. Mm, I don't know. Um, Alright, so I have no clue what we could do. Trying to think of someone who has a car. I mean, we could just do like an underfunded team. I mean, I guess. Right? And that would probably be the easiest thing to do. Yeah, that'd probably be the easiest thing to do. And then, which underfunded team we want to be? Let's do the 15 car, I guess. Yeah, why not? Alright, there we go. Alright, so if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll use this car next time. Actually, no. You know what? Let's do a quick race with this one. Let's take this bad boy out for a ride, shall we? Alright. If we win this, we get 2,000 bucks. Alright, come on. Get under him. Don't get hit. Oh, the 27's Paul Menard, by the way. Oh, they're hitting us. There's Keselowski and Hamlin fighting for the lead. Alright, Keselowski just gave up. Now we have to catch Hamlin. Hamlin looks fast. I don't think we can get it. Alright, come on. Alright, yeah, we're gonna need a lap car. His car is like cheating. Them cheating Toyotas. Yeah, he has like freaking turbo boost on or something. Yeah, we're not catching him, but we're gonna get 1,000 bucks in second place, so it's not too bad. Just see if he's gonna reach any lap traffic. I don't think so, unless one of them crashes. He just gained 2 seconds on us in 1 lap. Okay, yeah, that's a cheating car, if I've ever seen one. Or maybe we're just that slow because we're in the 15 car that's underfunded. You know, well, we'll take it home second. That's not bad. So, yeah, we're pretty much done for today. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay super, and goodbye. See you guys later.
Feels right, it feels right, yeah. I can only say that it feels right.